So let's get started. So here, most of the requested features, I have added them. Okay, so one, we have the favorite. See, when you select action and you want to add your favorite, you can just click on this and it will add your favorite. You can see this boxing. When I go to all category and I choose favorite and I go here, you can see we have the boxing here. So all your favorite one, you can see the heart icon has been turned red, so you can see it is in your favorite. You can just click on it to remove from your favorite. If it's still there, just click refresh and it will remove. Okay, so that is how it works. So now you can add your favorite. Just go to category and you can add your favorite action. Okay, this is for the first one. Okay, the second one is now you can retarget Cascadeur Rig. So here, this is the animation I have in Cascadeur. Okay, and I can export it into Blender as FBS. So here, when you have your Cascadeur Rig, here we have a settings you have to do before you can retarget to your character. You can see I have my Cascadeur character here, and when I preview the animation, you can see what I have. You can see I have retargeted the Cascadeur animation to our AutoRig character here, and it's very quite easy. You can see the animation we have here. This is the exact animation I have retargeted to my character. Okay, the third one is foot lock. What this does is it locks the character foot on the ground to prevent floating. You can see this one, the leg is sliding on the ground. Though the character leg is in FK, but we can still lock the foot on the ground. Okay, so to do this, it's very easy. I'll make full tutorial on each update, okay, to know how you can do it. Where example, so we need to activate the foot lock, and now you can reposition the foot on the ground where, and now you can just go here and activate apply foot lock, and here I can lock it from frame 1 to, so I want you to stay on this position from frame 1 to maybe the last frame, which is 115. So I can go to frame 1 and end on frame 115, and I can lock it. So here you can see this one is stable on the ground while the other one is still moving. Okay, you can see, and now we can see the leg is not shifting on the ground. Okay, it will be stationary. Okay, you can do this for walking, running, or any kind of animation. Okay.